In this video, we'll look at 3 businesses that started from nothing and are now generating 7 figures in revenue using AI. Then we're going to break down exactly how the businesses work, what made them so successful, how they make money, and show you how to start something for yourself in 2025. And if you want to join the new rich and grow your own $1 million digital business, check the link in the description. Let's start with Rizz, an AI app that helps people write better messages on dating apps. The idea came from a simple problem: people getting stuck in dating app conversations and not really knowing what to say next. Here's exactly how Rizz works. You're chatting with someone on Tinder, Bumble, or even WhatsApp, and you're not really sure how to respond. You take a screenshot of the conversation and upload it to Rizz. Then AI suggests different ways you could reply, helping you keep the conversation flowing. They launched in 2022 and now make $500,000 every single month. The pricing is straightforward. Users can either pay $7 per week or $20 per month to use the service. What's cool is that it works with any messaging app, from Tinder to regular text messages. They've gotten over 7.5 million downloads so far and are growing at about 30% every single month. The app is especially popular with guys who struggle with starting conversations or keeping them interesting. They didn't need any fancy technology to build this. They used existing AI tools like ChatGPT and built a simple app around it. This shows you don't need to be a tech genius to build something people want. You just need to solve a real problem. The best part, they built this whole thing without any outside funding, proving you can start something successful with just a good idea and basic execution. Next up is Otter, a company that turns voice conversations into text automatically. Think about how much time you spend in meetings or interviews trying to write down everything that's being said. Otter solves this by recording and typing out everything in real time and telling you who said what. Here's how simple it is to use. You start a meeting on Zoom or any other platform, and Otter joins automatically. As people talk, it writes everything down instantly, like having a super fast personal assistant. You can search through all your conversations later, just like searching through emails. They make 6 figures monthly by offering different subscription plans. They have a free version that gives you 300 minutes of transcription per month. If you need more, their pay plans start at about $16 per month for 1,200 minutes. Business users who need more features pay around $30 a month for 6,000 minutes. The company has grown huge since starting in 2016. They've typed out over 1 billion meetings so far. What's interesting though is they didn't try to do everything at first. They started with just basic transcription and kept adding new features as they grew. Now even big companies like Zoom use their technology in their own platform. This shows how starting with one simple service can lead to bigger opportunities later on. The third business today is Otter.ai, which helps people see what interiors of their homes would look like with different designs. It's like having a virtual interior designer that can show you exactly how your space could look before you spend any money. Here's how it works. You take a photo of your room, could be your living room, bedroom, or any kind of space. Upload it to Otter.ai and pick from over 30 different room styles. In about 30 seconds, it shows you exactly how your room would look in that style. They make around $45,000 per month by charging $39 for their pro plan. The business started in 2022 and hit $600,000 in revenue in the first year. What's really interesting is this whole thing is run by just one person. He didn't need a big team or millions in funding to get started. The service is especially popular with homeowners who want to try different designs before buying the actual furniture. Real estate agents also use it to show potential buyers how empty houses could look when they're furnished. You can even upload rough sketches of room layouts and AI will turn them into realistic images. It's a perfect example of using technology to make an expensive service accessible to everyone. So what ideas can we take from this to start something for yourself in 2025? Looking at these 3 businesses, you can see some simple patterns that work. First, look for tasks that people do over and over again, like Rizz saw that people struggle with writing dating messages every single day, or how Otter noticed people spending hours typing out meeting notes, or Otter.ai seeing how people waste time and money trying different furniture layouts. The key is to find something that's annoying enough that people will pay to make it easier. You don't need to build a complex AI model from scratch. All these businesses used existing AI tools and just built simple apps around them. Rizz used ChatGPT to power their message suggestions. Otter.ai used image generation AI to create the room designs. The business model part is pretty straightforward too. All these businesses use a monthly subscription model because it's a simple, predictable means of generating revenue. Rizz charges $20 per month and got 7 million downloads. Otter charges $16 a month and has millions of users. Otter.ai charges $39 a month and makes $45,000 every single month, with just a single person running the business. The best part is you can start small and grow as you get more customers. These businesses didn't try to do everything at once. They started with one simple service that solved one specific problem. Then they grew by listening to what their customers wanted. That's all there really is to it. Find an annoying task, use AI to make it easier, and charge a monthly recurring fee. All right, guys, that's it for this video. Let me know what you think in the comment section. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe. I've built and sold 2 different businesses, and if you want to build and sell your own $1 million business, then visit thenewrich.com. Also, if you want to stay up to date on the fastest way to make money with AI, then join our free Telegram channel below, and I'll see you in the next video.